This video covers GE refrigerator diagnostic mode entry for side-by-side, French door, and top freezer models. Entry sequence. Press and hold Express Cool and Express Freeze simultaneously for 3 seconds. Release both buttons. Then press Express Cool once more. The control panel will display the diagnostic test menu. Important note: button labels vary by model generation. On some units, buttons may be labeled differently. Always pull the tech sheet first. It's usually taped inside the unit, behind the crisper drawers, or behind the kickplate. The tech sheet has the confirmed button sequence and code table specific to that unit. From diagnostic mode, you can run 3 types of tests. Service mode for component tests, compressor, condenser fan, evaporator fan, and defrost heater. Diagnostic mode for temperature readings and error codes, and test mode for the ice maker and water dispenser. Generic codes. Code 1 is compressor not running. Code 2 is a temperature sensor fault. Code 3 is a defrost heater fault. Code 4 is fan not running. Code 5 is ice maker fault. Newer GE Profile and Café models may use alphanumeric codes. Always cross-reference the tech sheet. Field tips. Forced defrost. Hold temp plus alarm for 6 seconds on many models. For a fan test, pin the door switch and listen for the evaporator fan. Defrost heater should have continuity. Open circuit means replace. Thermistors typically read around 16 kilohms at 32 degrees. But verify your model. Control board soft reset. Unplug 60 seconds. Like and subscribe from Fix It Fast and Easy.